Hey guys, and welcome back to Reagan's Reading Corner. Today I'll be reading Barbie, a Zoo Vet. Let's get into the video. Barbie, a Zoo Vet. Barbie and her friends, Teresa and Nikki, are very excited. They are going to help a vet take care of animals at the zoo. The girls are volunteering for the summer and they can't wait to start. They love animals. Barbie, Nikki, and Teresa quickly change their clothes and meet the zoo vet outside her office. A vet takes care of animals when they get sick. But it's just as important to keep the healthy animals happy, she explained. Here's a list of all the animals that you'll help me with today. The vet continues. It will be your job to make sure they all have food and water. We can do it, Barbie says confidently. Great, says the vet with a smile. There are a lot of animals, so you'll have to work fast. The baby koalas are the first animals on the list. The hungry little babies scamper up to the three friends and drink from their bottles. So cute, says Barbie. Let's stay here and play with these little guys for a while. Next, the girls head to the Africa exhibit. Suddenly, a group of visitors drive up in a tour truck. Would you pose for some pictures? Asks the lady. Sure, replies Teresa. It's a lot of fun helping a zoo vet. After a few photos, Barbie, Nikki, and Teresa go to feed the dolphins. Barbie tosses a ball and a baby dolphin bounces it right back. They want to play catch with us, says Nikki. At the elephant enclosure, a baby elephant dips his trunk into a bucket and sprays water all over Nikki. Guess I needed a bath, Nikki says with a laugh. But the playful little elephant isn't through yet. Watch out, guys, yells Nikki. Barbie and Teresa start to run, but it's too late. The silly little elephant sprays water all over them, too. Suddenly, Teresa remembers the list the vet gave them. Oh no, Teresa cries. It's getting late, and we still have lots of animals to feed. We shouldn't have spent so much time playing. Come on, everyone, says Barbie. Let's hurry up and finish. Barbie, Nikki, and Teresa jump on their bikes and pedal as fast as they can. They quickly feed the hungry parrots. At the penguin house, the ice is very slippery. Let's hold hands to keep our balance, suggests Barbie. I wish we could stay and have fun, says Nikki with a laugh. Me too, replies Barbie, but the other animals are counting on us to bring their food and water. The baby pandas are next on the list. The fluffy little creatures happily drink their milk. When the pandas finish, they begin to yawn. I think it's time for their nap, Teresa says with a giggle. Next, Barbie, Teresa, and Nikki ride up to the wild bird lake. What colorful peacocks and flamingos, exclaims Nikki. Time to fly, says Barbie after she finishes feeding the birds. You girls did a terrific job, the vet says when their work is done. We had a great time, says Nikki, and I've learned that I can be a zoo vet, said Barbie. Look at all these stickers. So many pages. Oh, some of the zoo ones. I hope you guys enjoyed. Bye. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe down below.